Picture this: a crisp New Brunswick morning, coffee in hand, and our 2025 Chrysler Pacifica Select packed for adventure. Whether it's school drop-offs, weekend road trips, or coastal escapes, this minivan is the family MVP, blending luxury, safety, and practicality all into one irresistible package. Step inside our Pacifica, and you'll find premium leather upholstery and heated front seats to keep those chilly mornings cozy. With power sliding doors and a power liftgate, getting the kids, groceries, and hockey gear in and out has never been smoother. Remote start. It's the ultimate game changer for warming up or cooling down before you even step outside. Safety. Our Pacifica has you fully covered. Blind spot monitoring, park view rear backup camera, and electronic stability control work together to give you confidence, rain, or shine. And it doesn't stop there. Stay connected with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, while the Uconnect system keeps your apps within reach, shopping at Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals. You also get Canada's huggable perks, like our 12-month huggable guarantee, balance of factory warranty, full tank of gas, a spin on our Spin to Win wheel, 2 keys, a free Carfax, and so much more. Call 50645968832 today.
We'll give you a hug because we love ya. You're a customer and that's the way we feel. We'll give you a hug